I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip.
I'm done writing my novel.
Ready to publish it electronically?
And become super rich.
Well, first things first. Here are the things you should check as you prepare your Word document for electronic publishing on Amazon Kindle's eBook platform. First, write all the text. Format it for an ebook. Proof it, all that stuff. Second, run the Word document through the Kindle Previewer to prepare it for uploading and eventual publishing. Now I'll start with the first step. Though I write my professional books using separate documents for each chapter, for an ebook, you want all the text in a single document. Don't mess with the master document thing. Don't worry about file size, Word can handle it. For your first go-around with ebook publishing, I recommend a text-only novel.
My book is a murder mystery.
No pictures?
All text.
Excellent.
It's about a little boy who gets caught up with this...
For your to-do list, specifically for text-heavy books such as your typical summer reading potboiler, format your paragraphs with a first-line indent. Now don't use a tab indent. Format the paragraph for a first-line indent. See my ancient word tip video, link right here, for details. Also, ensure that chapter breaks are separated by a hard page break. In Word, you use the Control-Enter keyboard shortcut to insert a hard page break before each new chapter, plus other sections such as your introduction, if any, author biography, bibliography, and so on. Put a hard page break between all of these and the next document element. Now you can add hyperlinks to the document if needed, which is a handy way to use cross-references or perhaps link to an appendix. For your to-do not list, do not add headers and footers, which also means no page numbers. Ebook reader apps such as this one use a control to track page numbers. Headers and footers don't appear either. And don't bother with an index, as you can use the search command to locate text. Font size in an ebook reader app is adjustable, so font size shouldn't be an issue in your document. Write in any size easier for you to view and edit. And the typeface may not be important, as some ebook reader apps let you change the typeface. Finally, avoid adding pictures, text boxes, drop caps, and other fancy text and design elements.
So what is important?
Well, heading styles. Ensure that you use a heading style for your chapter titles and section titles, also called A and B level headings. I cover using and creating heading styles in another word tip video, link appearing now. Heading styles are important for creating a table of contents, which is a necessary part of your ebook. In this document, headings are visible on the navigation pane. From the View tab, put a check mark by Navigation Pane so that you can see it. Because the heading styles show up here, they're available and ready for you to create a table of contents, or TOC, and it's easy to do. Position the toothpick cursor at the spot in your document where the TOC should appear. Below this text, Table of Contents seems logical. References tab, Table of Contents group, aptly named, Table of Contents, Custom Table of Contents. You could mess around in this dialog box all you want to craft the way the TOC looks, but no matter what, remove the check mark by the item Show Page Numbers. Again, page numbers are useless in an ebook. And check this item, use hyperlinks instead of page numbers. Click OK to insert the TOC. This item is a field, which means it must be updated should you modify the book's contents, which again is why I recommend you do this stuff last. If you operate against my advice, update the TOC by right-clicking in the field and choose Update Field. Save the document.
Am I done?
For now, yes.
Oh boy!
The document can be submitted, which I cover in another word tip video. Remember, this information applies only to text-heavy documents. It's possible to publish other material, but it must be submitted in the PDF format, not as a Word document.